Hey guys, I wanted to explain your assignment for this week with the soil textured triangle assignment because we are looking at chapters 3 and 4 in our book for plant science this week. And as you can see in the background on my screen, there is a triangle there. And I wanted to explain the worksheet to you so that you would completely understand, because sometimes it can be a little confusing, but some people can look at this and they grasp the concept very quickly that other people struggle, so I didn't want you to look at it and be overwhelmed. So this is actually what you see on your screen when you pull up the assignment, and I like the triangle and the other one, so we're going to reference that one, but I wanted to show you. So for an example, you have 75% sand, 10% silt, and 15% clay. So I'm going to move this one out of the way so we can look at the color-coded one. Again, that's 75% sand. And as you notice, there are three sides to this triangle: percent clay here, percent silt here, and percent sand here. So we're going to start with 75, and so you're going to roughly kind of look in between 70 and 80 of sand. And then you're just going to kind of draw a line. So you could easily draw one if you wanted to with your pencil, or just kind of know it's in between these two. 10% silt. So silt runs up here, and it is actually on this side, so you're going to follow this line right here because the silts run this way. 10% down here to where you would intersect with the 75. So probably right here about the A. And then 15% clay. And so obviously these lines run this way for clay. So 15 would be in between. And that's going to hit you right here on the A of sandy loam. So that would be your answer for that one. Let's do one more together. The next one is 10% sand, 83% silt, and 7% clay. So 10% sand, we'll start down here. You have a line, those are my favorite. Then 83% silt, so you'll kind of guess right in between here. And then 7% of clay, so we're going to be down here. So obviously we're in this little shape right here with silt, so you will type in silt for those. So we did the first two together, and then if you'll go look on down here, you have more examples. Sometimes I leave a number out, so you can obviously quickly figure out what the other number would be by the two that are given. And then these, I give you what I want. So back, the first one for number F is clay loam, so you'll find the clay loam, and then you'll figure out how do you get there with the one number that's provided. And then you're going to do two of your own, completely however you want to do it. So hopefully you understand. If not, shoot me an email, let me know, and I'll be happy to assist you in any way.